Now I continue with the problems on radian and degree measure. That in the last class we converted degree to a radian measure. Now today I want to do that radian to degree measure. See, understand, radian to degree measure. So 180 degrees equal to pi radian. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. But now you can see that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degree. So, and here you have to tell that 180, 5 means 22 by 7 means 7 by 22 degree. So, this is the way how we use conversion degree to radian and radian to degree. This is degree to radian, this is radian to degree. So now we go for simplifying that those problems which we want to convert radian to degree. So there you will have to go for very slowly to understand. In this class I don't want to take much problems. I want to see that only radian to degree set of problems I am giving you here. Problem number 1 is already over. See that problem. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. In all these cases, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Problem number 1, 11 by 16. Problem number 2, minus 4. Problem number 3, 5 by 3. Problem number 4, 7 pi by 6. Problem number 5, here you have to see this 2 pi by 3. And now you see that how these 5 problems can be done. So we have to convert into what? Degree. They are in radian measure. So now you have to convert all these in degree measure. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So now see that one by one I want to explain. So it takes time for going through the first problem. So afterwards, and we see that the remaining problems can be worked out easily. Look at the first problem. What is that? I want to go for in detail because once you understand one problem, I hope no need of explanation in the successive problems. What is the problem here? You see 11 by 6 radians. See, the first one is 11 by 16 radians. And even you see that basically we have the formula pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degree. So ultimately 11 by 6 radian is equal to 11 by 6 into 180 divided by 5 degree. I hope you understood. So here multiplicating factor is nothing but here 180 by 5. So you have to simplify here. How it can be simplified? 11 by 16 into 180. Use 22 by 7. 22 by 7 degree. So this is 11 by 16 into 18 by 22 into 7 degree. And here you have to see that how it can be simplified. 11 ones are 11 twos are 2 ones are 2 nines are 3 threes are no. So here 9, here 16. So it cannot be divided by any other number. That 9 sevens are 63 divided by 16 degree you have got. 63 by 16 you have got. And accordingly you have to see that how it can be simplified. That accordingly the result you have to see. And is there any way to simplify this? But already I have told you that 63 by 16. Now you have to understand that how you have to simplify this and whether the simplification in right way or not. Look, this problem is 11 by 16. This 180 you have to write, you know. So what happens here? 180. This is 90. So you have to see this 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. And here you have to see this 45 into 7 divided by 8 degree. Now you have to simplify further that how much it is a result you are getting. So look, this 45 into 7. Here 7 5s are 35, 7 5 28, 28, 315. 350 divided by 8 degree. I hope you understood that how you have got 315 divided by 8. But how to simplify this? Because this is not the final answer. Final answer you have to divide 315 by 18. That I want to explain here. So how many degree, how many minutes, how many seconds, we will see this answer. You try to understand how many degree, how many minutes, how many. So that this is to be done for your reference. I am writing 315. I have to divide as usual, and accordingly you can see that. By what? By 8. And you see this how you can write it. Now first you have to take 2. Then 8 3s are, 8 4s are 32. Then how much you will get it? 8 3s are, you have to write. 8 3s are 24. Look, this 11 4, this 7 and 0, this will get 75 you have got. Now you have to see that how to again 8 8s are 64 and 8 9s are 72, 8s are 80. And here you have to see that what is the result? 8 9s are 72. See, 72. 7 2 3 0. Now you have got 39 degree you have got. I hope you have got 39 degree. But the rest again is there, 3 is also there. and 3 degrees left behind here. So this is, you have got the answer in degree you have got. So this is converted into minute. So what, 60 I have to multiply. So what, 180 minutes you have got. When you multiply by 360 and what you have got, 180 you have got. 180 minutes you have got. So here again divided by the same number, 8. How you have got? Degree to minutes that you have written. So how you find this? 8 2s are 16, and try to this, and always I am converting degree. Now we are finding in minutes. So 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. How much we get? 4. So this you will get it minutes you have got. In the same way, this again you multiply by 60, you will get it seconds. Again 8. And 8 3s are 24. See this? And here you will see that seconds you have got. How many seconds you have got? 30 seconds. So answer is 39 degree, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. Here I write 39 degree, what do you say? 22 minutes, 30 seconds. Yes, this is the answer. So here I have literally explained how you get it the answer in terms of degree, minutes, second. This is the way how you can do. This first problem is over. Likewise, I want to go for -4 also. Rest is very simple. If I do it -4 like this, and you will understand easily the things here. And you see how that can be done. I hope you understood. 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, we'll see that second, -4 radian equal to how many degree? Even you go for in terms of minutes, seconds, like that. What is the second you see now? -4 radian. -4 radian is equal to -4. How much is number? 180 divided by 5. This is degree. So this is -4 into 180 divided by 22 into 7 degree. So minus keeping it out, 2 11s are 2 2s are, and here you see that you have to multiply 2 into 0, 2 8s are 16, and 360 into 7 divided by 11 degree. So what is this? You have to multiply 360 into 7. 7 0 7, 25 20, 25 20 by 11 degree. So now we have to convert in terms of degree to minutes, minutes to degree. That way you can proceed, and I am going to explain that how this is done, and accordingly you can see the answer here. Very simple, that method I told in the previous problem, like that only you have to do this. So now I am explaining. Look this, 25, next 20 divided by 11. First 11 2s are 22, 5 2 3 0, and next you have to take 2. Again 11 2s are 22. So how much? 10. And again you have to see that you have got 100, because 33 is not there, so you will get it 10 lesser than 100 you have got. Now 11, how many is that is to be written here. So now you see that when you are writing that 11, you are, see that 11, 8 are 88, 9 are 9, and 11 to 110 it was. So ultimately 9, 99. So 10 is 1, 1, and you have to see that 9, 10, you have to see that 0, 1, 0. So how many here you have got it? 1 you have got, 229 degree you have got. How many degree you have got? 229 degree you have got. But here the rest you have got, 1 is degree you have got this. This is degree. Now if you want to convert into minutes, you will see that 60. Now it is divided by 11, 3, 4, 6, 5 are 55. And here you see this is. And again you go for writing that how many minutes you have got it. How many minutes? 5 minutes you have got. And that remainder is also 5 you have got. So that is why I am telling that how that should be written next. So now you see this again minute into seconds multiplied by 300 you have got. So you will get it what do you say, this is 1, you got this is minute, this is, and now we will get it seconds. 11, 11 3s are no, 11 2s are 22, 8, 1 0, and if you bring this 0, and you have to see that 11 8 are 88, 11 7s are 77. So what we get? 0. So what is this second? So 229 degree, and you have to see this 5 minutes and 27 seconds. So this is a way of converting degree minute in 20 in terms of second. But again you are asking that 3 is remained. So approximately you have to write minus 229 degree. Then how many minutes? 5 minutes. How many seconds? 27 seconds. That too you write approximately. Why you have to write approximately? Because this 3 is left at, again further 60 is not there. So this is the way how we convert a radian to degree measure. So the rest problems are very simple. These are only 2 problems you can go in detail. So how to write the rest one? Simple way. See, 5 by 3 radian. You need not go lengthy method. 5 means 5 by 3. 5 radian is 180 degrees. Simply you have to do this. You will get it in terms of degree. So 3 ones are 360. 300 degree of what? So 5 by 3 is 300 degree. So now you go for next 7 pi by 6. And look this how to convert, how to write this. 7 pi by 6 radian is equal to 7 by 6. Pi means 180 degree. Again you have to go for 6 ones are, so 210 degree. How many degree you got? 210 degree. The last one is 2 pi by 3. The last one is 2 pi by 3. I am explaining. So this is the best way to understand this. Number 5, this 5, 2 pi by 3 radian. This is 2 by 3, 5 means 180 degree. So what is this? and it comes 120 degrees. So this is the way how we convert degree to radian and radian to degree. Already I told you, that 1 radian equal to how many degree minutes. So that also I want to explain in this case. What I say now here, 1 radian is equal to how many degree, how many minutes, how many seconds. That also I explained, because this is the practice with these two examples. No doubt you can say that one also. What is the case that I am explaining here? 1 radian is equal to how many degree minutes. See, look this. Note, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 100 divided by pi degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by 22 into 7 degree. 1 radian is equal to, simplify this, 2 11s are 2 9s are 18, 90. So 630 divided by 11 degree. So 1 radian is equal to how many minutes, how many degree, how many minutes, how many. This is to be determined. I have to tell this, how this can be obtained. But in the textbook, even we tell how many degree, 57 degree, like that. In general, we say that it is less than 60 degree. But now I am going to explain how you will see that 1 radian is equal to how many degree, how many minutes, how many seconds. Look this, I have to explain as usual. 630 divided by 11, and you have to see this 11 6 are 66. So 11 5s are 55. So 13 5 means 8. Carry 1 0. So you have got this. Next, 11 7s are 77. 7. You have to see 77. 3 right. So here you will see that this is what? Degree of what? And here this is also degree. But when you are multiplying with 60, you get it 180 minutes, you will see that. So 180, again you have to see. 18, 11 ones are 11. So what comes? 7 0. And you have to get it 7. 77, now 60, 11, 11, 6 are 66. So what you will see? 16 minutes you have got. This you will get it minutes. But when you are converting into seconds, you have to multiply by 60. 240 you will see that. 11 you will get in terms of seconds. Yes, 11 2s are 22. And here you write 22, 4 2. And here you have to see 11 3s are again 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22 is more than this. 11 1s are 11. And what you say? This comes 1, carry 1. So how many minutes? Seconds? 21 seconds. So what I say now here? 57 degree, 16 minutes, 21 seconds. 9 is left out. You will see that. But generally, when you see that seconds, you will go for that point. You will see that 0. And what you have to tell? 1188, 11.8. So or else you keep it like this, 21 second. Don't get confusion. What I say now here? What do you say? 57 degree, 16 minutes. Next, 21 seconds. 21 seconds approximately. You have to tell. Actually speaking, it may reach to 22 approximately also you can say. This is how you got 1 radian is 57 degree 16 minutes 21 second, that too approximately. This is the way how we find radian to degree. Now let us see that basically here to find out the values here accordingly the problem. One more problem I want to take today based on this, and you can answer properly. What is that problem you see now here? When all these problems are over, and see this. That one more is third one, convert 6 radians into degree measure. I'm taking more concentration on this, and you will see that how this can be done here. See, 6 radians. You know 5 radians equal to 180 degree. This implies 1 radian is equal to 100 divided by 5 degree. So 6 radians, 6 radian is equal to 6 into, or you can write that in shortcut, 6 radian is equal to 6 into 180 divided by 5 degree. 6 radian is equal to, what you say, 6 into 180 divided by 22 into 7 degree. 6 radian is equal to, simplify this accordingly you can write it, 2 11s are 2 3s are. Rest is not possible. You have to go for 11 only. And 180 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 540. That to 7. 70. So 80. And so what you say? 35. 35. 3780. You write that 6 radian. Try to understand in word 6 radians also. Usually radians plural may not be used, and always we use singular term radian, 6 radian or 6 radians. How much you got here? 3780. As I told you, you know how to find out this, and accordingly we can proceed. Now I say that how we convert this 6 radians is equal to how many degree, how many minutes, how many seconds. This I want to do this. What is the problem here? 37, look this, 37 8e divided by 11. You see this, very slowly you go. Then only you can understand this. First 11 3s are 33, 11 4s 33. It is possible. 11 4s are 44. Now you have to see that 11 3s are 33. 7 3 4 0. Next you bring 8. Next 11 4s are 44. See, 4s are 44. So here you have got 4. Then you bring this 0. Next 11 4s are 44 is not possible. 11 3s are 33. What we get? 17. So here you have got 343 degree you have got. How much you have got? 343 degrees. So, but now you have to see that minutes, degrees. This is actually minutes. What do you say? Degree. Now we want to multiply by 60. We will see that 420. This is in terms of minutes, and again 11. Now you see 11 fours are 44, and here 1142 is there, so 11 threes are 33. So you have to go for 33, 12 3, 7, 8, 9, carry 1, 0. Next you bring this 0, 11 are 99, 8, it means 88. So here you see this you will get in terms of minutes you got. How many minutes you got? 38 minutes you got. So again you have to convert into that seconds multiply by 60. So again you have to multiply by what? This is minutes, you better understand. If you multiply by 60, you will get 120 seconds. That is divided by 11. So 11 twos are 22 now, 11 ones are 11, what do you say, 2, 1, 0, this is 10. How many seconds? 1 second you have got. Not 1 second, because if you see 11 1 11 2 1 is 0, next what? 10. 10 is lesser than 11. Then here you understand approximately 343 degree 38 minutes, and here 1 second. That too approximately. Even if you go for writing the other value, and that is quite possible. Seconds you have to understand, you have to stop it here, or you may continue. What? This is point, you take it 0, and 11 nines are 99. So what comes? 1, carry 1, 0, carry 1. So 11.9 seconds you have got. Even you have to say more clearly, 343 degree 38 minutes, actually 1 second, or here 1.9 seconds. So this is the way how we convert radians to degree. That is, you have to understand that result how you are finding. 10 point, how much it is? This is when you take it to 0, you have to see, no? When you take it 0 to 0, 10.9, and you understand that when you take it 0 to z, 1.9 seconds or 10.9 seconds, or you can see that 11 seconds also you can approximately. 10.11 means nothing but what? 11 you can say. So the thing is that you can write approximately. Once again I tell you, 2 ones. So we bring that 1 0, and it is not possible, you have to go for 0, and 10.9 we'll find. So now the last problem, I want to see that when you are going for 99, that result is again left behind. So that is why we tell approximately. So this is the way how we find radians to degree. Now I am going to explain one more theoretical problems that I am discussing. Theoretical in the sense, essay type problems that I want to discuss. What is the essay type? Look, this number 4. A wheel makes 360 degree revolutions. 360 revolutions. (363 revolutions) in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Through, see the question, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? First you understand what is the problem. A wheel makes 360 rounds. That wheel makes how many revolutions? 360 revolutions. In 1 minute it happens. But question is that how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So how many radians, that is the angle made by that revolution. First of all you have to see that in second how many revolution. In a minute 360, but in second that we have to find out. Once again I tell that a wheel makes 360 revolutions, complete rounds, in 1 minute. But first we have to calculate how many revolutions that can be done, and that is to be calculated. It is simple way that you know. Number of revolutions. See, number of revolutions in 1 minute. Yes, how many revolutions it is? It is then 360 revolutions. Look, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. What I have written here? Number of revolutions in 1 minute equal to 360. The question is number of revolutions in 1 second. You see, number of revolutions in 1 second. So basically in a minute 60 seconds, and ultimately it is divided by 60, and ultimately you should write 360 divided by 60. So 6 was the 6. So 6 revolutions in a second. How many? 6 revolutions. But the question is that what is the angle made by that 6 revolution? First that must be known. In 1 revolution how many radians? And that is known 2 pi. But in 6 revolutions 6 into 2 pi means 12 pi answer. But here it must be known that in 1 revolution angle made by the wheel is 2 pi radians. And here you have to understand that directly answer here. In 1 revolution you have to see that angle traced how much? In 2 pi radians. In 1 radian angle traced 2 pi radians. And now yes, and you have to see in 1 revolution. In 6 revolutions, angle traced is equal to 6 into 2 pi, that is nothing but 12 pi radians. In 1 revolution angle traced equal to 2 pi radian. Angle traced in 6 radians is equal to 6 into 2 pi, that is not 2 pi radians. So this is what I say, how we understand through how many radians does it turn in 1 second. So this is the way how we find the results. Now I continue with the other part of the problems in the next class. So I hope you better go through these problems today, then I continue with remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.